This is Akshat Gupta, and I'm from Mahalaxmi Woollen, Panipat. We are situated in Panipat, Haryana, and which is called as the textile hub of India. And we are here in Medicall for the very first time. And since we are doing already doing this in whole India, but our buyers actually wanted us in Medicall, so we have put up the stall for the very first time, and we are loving it. We are just loving the response we are getting from the buyers and from the visitors, and we hope that we will do each and every medical exhibition from now onwards. Thank you so much. So what we do is we do manufacture these fleece blankets, and these are available in various weights and various colors, and we do it in bulk only, and we do generally to B2B. But if since you want to start the business, you can just directly come to us or contact us, and this is our number. It's 901 700. You can just contact us and ask for the sample, and then we can just start the business with you. We do, beside blankets, we do bed sheets for hospitals, and our pillows also. So mainly we have three products, and you're most welcome to start the business with us. And we assure you the best quality at the best possible rate. Thank you so much.